let's get down, babies. We're gonna start with a little bit of follow the leader, all right? Join in if you can. Here we go. I go 2, you go 2. Y'all remember that, right? All right, guys, let's take a short break. We warmed up nicely right now. Got the follow the leader game going on. Now I'm just gonna get down for you guys for a little bit. Every day, getting down, even though, you know, I'm not gonna post everything I do, but when I do post, you guys see what I do on a daily basis. When you practice, you should have the mindset that you should always just be dancing, you know, wherever you are, whether you're like Pete and Ceech, they always say when they're little, they probably even do it right now. They're standing in line somewhere, you know, anywhere, just dance. Make it a part of your everyday so you don't have to try to set aside time, because then it becomes work, it becomes a chore, and it's not fun anymore if you think that way. But if you think like, hey man, I'm just having fun, you know, follow the beat, then it just becomes fun. Anyways, let me just get down for a little bit. And I'm gonna try to break down what I'm thinking as I do. Okay, here we go. Get that popping, here we go. Every time I start, I want to make sure I'm on the beat. I always start with that clap, that nice clap sound, making sure that I'm on, not too early. I'm just thinking about poses, different position where my body could be nice and sit in that spot. And as I'm doing my poses, start getting bigger. Because when you start, your pose might just be something like this. They're kind of limited in their space. But as you get better, start reaching wider, go lower, right? So I'm going to start with the twos. Clap. Clap, I'm gonna mix in the ones. Boom, boom, then pop. Boom, boom, ha. Then I'm gonna break the pattern. So when I set up, boom, 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 it kind of sets up that pattern. So the viewer kind of tends to think you're gonna do that again. Okay? So watch. If I go, see on that third one, you were kind of expecting the boom, 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 but then I hit you with something different. Then it kind of breaks the monotony. So it makes it a little bit more enjoyable for the viewer to watch, okay? But obviously all of this has to be done on beat, so you gotta be on beat, okay? All right, so let's go with that again. Setting up patterns and breaking patterns, okay? So that'll be kind of like the lesson of the day. All right, guys, that's my get down for today. Hope you guys have fun. Hope you guys learn a little bit of what I'm going through. Some of the things I want to try to teach you guys. Hope you guys have fun learning it. And again, if you want to support the channel, appreciate it. Hit that like button. Let me know that this is something you enjoy. Hit me with a comment, questions if you have any. My goal is to try to help everybody out as much as possible. Just try to create this community. There's a lot of good people in the community already. But again, let's be positive with each other. Help everybody grow. Because the more people you help, the better you're going to get. That's what I try to do. Get better myself. Subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one, guys. Later.